welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul video. I don't have much going on in this video. I just have some things I found that I wanted to share. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thank you for joining me and I hope you like it here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. The first deal I picked up is the Kids Oral-B rechargeable toothbrush on sale for $24.99. And when you buy one, you get $5 back. We have a $5 digital coupon and the 10 off 25 CRT we received is also attaching to this item. That will take off 15, dropping it down to $9.99 and I'll get $5 back, making it just $4.99. This transaction worked out very well. The $5 came off and the 10 off 25. I ended up using $10 extra care box that adjusted down to $9.99. I only paid the tax and I got $5 extra care box, making it just $4.99. The next deal I have is on all detergents. They're on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. I'll pick up one liquid detergent and the second item I'll pick up is the 19 count Mighty Packs. I'm going to use two $2 tier packs, which will drop it down to 6 and I'll get $5 back. I will submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That will end up making this 2 free and $2 money maker. I did this deal in 2 transactions because the store I'm at only have the Mighty Pack, so I picked it up, used the $2 coupon and redeemed $3 extra care box, paid just the tax, and I went to the next store and I picked up the detergent. Also used the $2 coupon and used $3 extra care box and I paid just the tax and I got back $5 extra care box. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 on the Mighty Pack and $1.50 on the detergent. And that made this 2 free and $2 money maker. The next deal I'm picking up, I showed this deal in my deals video I posted earlier today, but I'm doing it a little different because of the coupons I have. And that's the spend 25 get $10 back, and Aveeno lotion and body wash are part of this deal. I'll pick up the 18-ounce body lotion priced at $14.99. To get to 25, I'll pick up the body wash. Right here it says $11.29, but on the app it's $9.99. So I'm going to ask them to adjust the price. And with the $9.99 price, these two will total $24.98. And that's within the 98% rule for the spend 25. And the coupon and CRTs I'll use for this deal will be a 10 off 25 CRT everybody received today. And also a $2 CRT I received in my email that will apply to the lotion. I don't have the $3 digital coupon for the lotion because I already used it. And for the body wash, I have a $3 coupon in the app. That will drop it down to $9.98 and I'll get $10 back. Because I'm spending more than $20, I can submit my receipt to activate reward for $5 back for spending $20. That will make this 2 free and $5.02 money maker. But that's not how I'm going to do it. I'm already at $25 and to build it up to $30 will not be difficult. So what I'm going to do is to pick up the OGX Air Care. They're on the deal of buy one get $2 back. And if you're just picking up the OGX, pick up whichever one you like because all their items are on sale for $6.99. But I'm going to pick up one of the oil at $6.99 and I'll use a $2 Pili coupon that will drop it down to $4.99 and I'll get 2 back, making it just $2.99. But I'm adding it to this deal and my new total will be $31.97. Using the 10 off $25 CRT and the $2 off lotion CRT, $3 Aveeno body wash digital coupon and the $2 OGX Pili coupon, that will drop it down to $14.97 and I'll get $10 back for the spend 25 and $2 back for buying the OGX. And I will submit my receipt to activate reward for $10 back for spending $30, which will end up making this 3 free and $7.03 money maker. This transaction worked out very well. You can see the 3 items I picked up. The $2 Pili coupon for the OGS came off and the $3 digital coupon for the Aveeno applied. The 10 off 25 CRT came off. The $2 lotion CRT also came off as well. I ended up using 2 extra cables to pay for this. One is a $10 and the second one is $5. but it adjusted down to $4.97, and I only paid tax, and I got back $10 for the spend 25 and $2 for buying the OGX hair care. I just want to mention that the Activate reward deal I did last week, I submitted my receipt and I already redeemed my $10. I will submit this receipt to Activate reward for $10 back because I spent $30, and that will end up making these 3 items free and $7.03 money maker. The next deal I'm going to share, I did not pick it up because I don't have another 10 off 25 CRT, but I think it's a good deal. That's why I'm sharing it. Hopefully someone will find it helpful. This deal is the spend 20 get $10 bag, and Oral-B Glide Picks are part of this deal. Pick up the 150 counts priced at $9.29 each, pick up 2, and pick up the 60 counts priced at $7.49. And they will total $26.07. Use the 3 off 2 credits digital coupon we all have, and we have another $2 Oral-B digital coupon that will double dip with the 3 off 2. Use the 10 off $25 CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $11.07, and you get $10 back, making these 3 just $1.07 or 36 cents each. If your store is priced a little bit cheaper, adjust your math because this might end up being free for you. But if you're doing that, make sure you stay within the 98% rule. That way you can use the 10 off $25 CRT. Some of the water bottles at my store are on clearance. Some are at 75% off or 50% off or 20% off. So what I did was pick up one, originally priced at $20.49, but right now it's on clearance for $5.12. I picked it up, and I also picked up a vanilla ice cream mix on clearance for $1.49. I just used extra care box to pay for this. Paid just 87 cents out of pocket plus tax. And I'm going to leave the pictures I took for the rest of the bottles in case you want to check them out. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a good week. Bye.